How to create a publication in Substack. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up for that. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. We can head over to substack.com for that, and this is our official site, and look out for this option called sign in and click on it. Once we click on it, what we need to do is we need to enter up the email address in the section that we would like to use to create an account, and click on this option called continue. Otherwise, click on this option called create account, and we may follow up the process for creating a publication. So you can start up by selecting 3 topics, for example these, and click on continue. Once we've done that, they will start recommending with at least 3 subscriptions. So we have Substack, Post Designer, Better, and many more. So click on one and subscribe and continue. And we need to enter up our email address that we would like to use to create an account, and click on this option. By creating an account, we agree to the Substack terms of use and privacy policy, and click on sign up and subscribe. Now, once we have done that, we need to name up our publication. So write in your publication name in the sections, for example, Tech Insights Weekly or something like that. And you also need to provide in a handle name. So go ahead and provide in a handle name for yourself, and click on this bio section, and you can write up a short description what your newsletter is about to be, and click on continue. Once you've done that, your URL should be created. Here you can click on this option called send link or create up a QR code, and click on this option called next, and you can select what you want to start with, discover, create, etc., and click on continue. Once it is done, you can visit your dashboard, and your account has been now created, your publication has now been created. You can turn on paid subscriptions and many more. Now, if you want to start creating, you can look at this option called create and click on it, and you can start creating article, video, podcast, and many more. And that is it. You can also upload your own profile and logo, cover image, and write about your page, and define and even set up email settings and everything. But this is how you should be able to create up your own publication on Substack. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.